Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Today our subject is phonics. The topic is about sound of I. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of I correctly, recognize some words that begin with the sound of I, match pictures that begin with the sound of I, and color the pictures that begin with the sound of I. Let's start our class. Let's say the I sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter I. What is the sound of I? Letter I has two sounds. Short sound E and long sound I. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is an ink. E, ink. Repeats after me. E, ink. Let's read. My ink. This is my ink. Let's read it again. My ink. This is my ink. Very good. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is an insect. E, insect. Let's read. My insect. This is my insect. Let's read it again. My insect. This is my insect. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this animal? Yes, that's right. This is an iguana. E, iguana. Repeats after me. E, iguana. Let's read. My iguana. This is my iguana. Let's read it again. My iguana. This is my iguana. Well done, everybody. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, that's right. This is an igloo. E, igloo. Repeats after me. E, igloo. Now let's read. My igloo. This is my igloo. Let's read it again. My igloo. This is my igloo. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes. These are ice cubes. Ice. Ice. It's a long sound I. Now let's read. My eyes. These are my ice cubes. Let's read it again. My eyes. These are my ice cubes. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, that's right. This is an ice cream. Ice cream. Repeats after me. I, ice cream. Now let's read. My ice cream. This is my ice cream. Let's read it again. My ice cream. This is my ice cream. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is an island. 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 Let's read. My island. This is my island. Let's read it again. My island. This is my island. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, these are ivy leaves. Ivy. Ivy. Let's read. My ivy. These are my ivy leaves. Let's read it again. My ivy. These are my ivy leaves. Well done, everybody. Now let's match pictures that begin with the sound of I. Can you name the first picture? Yes, that's right. This is an ice cream. Ice cream. It starts with the letter I, long sound I. So let's match. What about the next picture? Can you name this picture? Yes, that's right. This is an insect. Insect. It starts with a short sound E, letter I. So let's match it. Can you name this animal? Yes, that's right. This is a goose. G, goose. It starts with the sound of G, letter G, not letter I. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Can you name the last picture? Yes, these are ice cubes. Ice. Long sound I, letter I. So let's match it. Well done, everybody. Now let's say the I sound and then color the picture that starts with the I sound. Can you name this animal? Yes, this is an iguana. Iguana. It starts with a short sound E, letter I. So let's color it. Can you name the last picture? That's right, this is a hat. Ha, ha, hat. It starts with the sound of ha, not sound of I, so do not color it. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.